Welcome to Accent Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce star. Star. Now there are multiple ways to pronounce this word, and of course they vary not only when it comes to which country of origin the person who is pronouncing it is from, but also the region of the same country will have different pronunciations. Most notably, one of the major differences between places is whether or not the pronunciation is rhotic or non-rhotic. In this case, I'm using a non-rhotic pronunciation, meaning that the R at the end is not pronounced. However, a rhotic pronunciation is very common in, for example, America, but not only limited to the United States. Star. Star. Alternatively, some people use a rolled R, star, or some people will use a different vowel, turning it into a shorter sta, sta. But for this video, I suggest the pronunciation star, star. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.